This video will point out the main changed areas in our new upgrade to the screens for Moodle under CampusNet. The changes are mostly cosmetic, but a few menus and selections were moved to different areas. The basic functionality is the same as the previous version. This short video will help orient you to our new version. First, let's compare the My Moodle screen for the old and new version. Here we see the old version on the left and the new version on the right. The screens look quite different, but once you get oriented, you will find that the same information is there. In the new version, the course categories list is moved to the right side of the screen. Starting in the dashboard screen, the first time you go to this screen, it will be in the timeline view. That will be useful later to show important things like quizzes that are upcoming. Your main work will be under the Courses tab, and if you sign out with that tab selected, you will see it the next time you sign in. For now, we'll select Courses. The new version has a hamburger icon at the top left, which will show and hide the new left menu. This menu allows selection of a calendar and private files, in addition to your list of courses. Note that the old version's pull down for selecting current, previous, and future semesters is replaced by tab selections in the new version. I'll select the previous or past courses to show a comparison of this Introduction to Computers class. First, notice that the People and Activities sections have been moved to the right side of the new version. The center part of the screen for the new version is very similar to the old version, other than some changes to the icons and fonts. Now notice that the Administration section on the left is replaced by a more simplified section showing only participants, roster, and grades. The new roster selection is a replacement for the printable class list that was under participants in the old version. Pardon our early test version, which does not show the pictures as the final version will. Many of the other selections from the old Administration section have been moved to the Settings gear, both in the menu that comes up when you click the gear and a new menu that shows up when you click More at the bottom. The resulting screen shows all of the course administration selections, those on the previous pull down, along with other items categorized by reports, question bank, and users. So the Settings gear is an important tool to get to the functions you need. A very important thing to note is that the Turn Editing On button is now moved under the Settings gear. Turning it on shows that the content is basically the same, other than some icon changes. You will see that the Add a Block function is now moved to the left menu. Also, attendance does not show as a block anymore. To add attendance for the course, go to any week and click Add an Activity or Resource and select Attendance. Another change is that the old version had a link to the question bank in the Administration section on the left side. In the new version, you select the Settings gear and click More at the bottom to get the screen that has the question bank selection. So with this overview of the changes, you should be able to find your way around the new Moodle sections and functions. With a little practice, you'll be back to your old high-functioning self again. Thank you.